Hey guys, Will here with the RV Wholesalers Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to test your power converter. So this right here is an external power converter. This is going to be used on normally fifth wheels or things that units that don't have the power converter inside the fuse panel. This, if you don't know what this is, what this does is it converts 120 volt power to 12 volt power to charge your battery. So right now we have this plugged in. So we're going to have 120 volts going in. So we're going to have some DC power coming out. And what we're looking for is between 13.6 and 13.7. So we'll put our probes in right here. We have 13.7. So we're right at what we need to be power-wise. This is an unloaded, so once it is loaded with something that is trying to charge, it can go down or up depending on how charged the battery is. But that means this is a good converter. Like I said, this is a 55 amp external. They're not always going to look like this, but this particular one is producing the power it needs. 13.6 for any converter is a good normal. Alrighty, this right here is going to be your standard multimeter. It's just really going to test AC, DC voltage. That's normally what the majority of them test for, so super easy. This is going to be DC voltage, AC voltage coming in. Super easy to tell the difference between the two. If you have any other questions, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.